Often when one is alone at home, be it a homemaker or a bachelor, one tends to compromise on a meal. They tend to have a bowl of cornflakes or a bowl of instant noodles or bread and butter. Is that the healthy way to go? What if you can dish out a healthy, nutrient-dense meal in less than 5 minutes? Stay tuned. The recipe that I am going to be sharing today is just one idea. So stay tuned till the Mull Point to know many versions of the same recipe. Namaskarams, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch Mull. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So, what are we going to be making today? We are making a vegan sugar-free smoothie recipe with apples. As I said, it is a complete meal by itself. You could have it for either breakfast, lunch or dinner. So let's look at the ingredients required to make our vegan sugar-free smoothie recipe with apple. I have taken 1 apple. I have taken about 8 to 10 dates, 10 to 15 almonds and 10 to 12 cashews. The dates, almonds and cashews have been soaked in water for about 2 hours. I am using an organic apple and so will be using the apple with its peel. If it is not organic, it is better to remove the peel as the peel is often contaminated with pesticides. Often apples are also coated with wax to make it look shiny. Let's look at the health benefits of the ingredients that we have used to make our vegan sugar-free smoothie recipe. Almonds are a rich source of fiber, healthy carbs, proteins, monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. It's a very nutrient-dense food also packed with a lot of antioxidants like flavonoids. Cashews are also a rich source of mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Cashews are also rich in magnesium, which is needed for enzymatic reactions of our body, and magnesium helps in good absorption of calcium too. Dates are a rich source of natural sugar, fiber, iron and polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. They are also high in fiber and potassium, which is good for heart health. Apples, all of us have heard this, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Apples are a rich source of soluble fiber, vitamin C and various other antioxidants like quercetin, catechin, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. As always, the peel of the apple is more rich in nutrients. So choosing organic apples will allow you to eat the peel also. As all the ingredients used are high in fiber, this smoothie does help in weight loss too. So here we go. Let me add the chopped apple, the soaked almonds, the soaked cashews, the soaked dates. Add little water. There are some pieces, so we'll add a little bit more water. Here a delicious vegan sugar-free apple smoothie is ready to be relished. Doesn't this look delicious? Whenever I am alone, I prefer to make these smoothies either for my breakfast, lunch or dinner. It saves me on time and keeps me full also. Remember that it is very suitable for weight loss also since it's packed with a lot of fiber. This vegan sugar-free smoothie recipe is suitable for all age groups right from the toddlers to the elderly, especially suitable for people with lactose intolerance. I have spoken in great depth about lactose intolerance in one of my previous episodes on vegan peanut curd. Do watch it. Do you remember I said there are many variants possible? In how many other ways can we make this smoothie? Let's mull over it. There are 3 aspects to this smoothie: the fruit, the nuts and the sweetener. As you have seen, I have used an apple as the fruit. For nuts, I have used cashews and almonds, and I have used dates for sweeteners. We could use any combination of fruits, nuts and sweeteners to generate a multiple variations of this smoothie. In general, non-citric fruits go very well for smoothies. So you could use bananas, chickus, guavas, papayas, watermelon, muskmelon and many more which I cannot remember, but I'm sure you will remember more. Coming to nuts and seeds, apart from cashews and almonds, you could use pistas, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and many more that you could think of. What about sweeteners? Apart from dates that I have used, you could use raisins, apricots, figs, our favorite raw cane sugar and molasses. If you're not a vegan, you could try honey too. Isn't this an enormous variety? And that's not all. You could even try using multiple fruits and seeds and nuts in the same smoothie. Isn't this a better and a healthier option than eating a bowl of instant noodles or bread and butter? What do you think? And what are the ingredients that are going to go into your smoothie recipe? Please share them in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.